Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am Khalid Mahmud and I make AutoCAD tutorial that help you improve your drafting skill. In today's video, we will create this technical drawing exercise 37 step by step in AutoCAD. This tutorial is designed for beginner. So follow along and by the end of this video, you will able to complete this drawing very easily. And also don't forget to check the description for the PDF file of this drawing. So now let's get started. Step 1. Set up the drawing. Open your AutoCAD and set the unit to millimeter. Just type UN, enter. Precision will be 0.0. Insertion scale it will be millimeter. Press OK. Turn on ortho mode using F8. Otherwise you can check here as a ortho mode and activate O snap just using F3 to precise your drawing. Ensure grid mode is off to better visibility. Step 2. Create the outer shape. As you see in this diagram, this one is the outer shape we are going to create. So use circle command, C for circle, click on any specific point, D for diameter 48, enter. Now use a line command, L for line, click on this coordinate point, to right side it will be 64, enter. Now again create one more circle, C for circle, radius will be 16, press enter. Now select this circle, use M for move, click on this coordinate point to this end point of this line. Now again create one more circle using this center point, click on this center point, D for diameter 1330. Now again one more line, click on this coordinate point to this one. Use TR double enter, trim this one and also this one. Now outer shape almost complete. Now step 3. Adding the fillet and curves. As you see in this diagram, this is a curves we need to create. So use circle command and put the radius as a 56 from this circle center point. So use C for circle, click on this point and radius will be 56, press enter. Now again click on same point and radius will be 47.2, press enter. Create a center line, this one, just using L for line from this center point to this one. Just select this line, use RO for rotate, click on this end point using C for copy and put a value as an angle -10, press enter. Now trim, TR double enter, trim this one, also this one, also this one. Select this part, E for erase. Now trim also this one and this one. Select this extra line using E for erase. Also trim this one. As you see in this diagram, these curves already completed. Select this line, go to properties, change a line type as a center line and color will be red. Now again create one more line from here to here. So use L for line, just from here to here. MA for match, this one. Now extend this line from here to here. Step 4. Drawing the slots and holes. We are going to create these slots and also this slot. So this slot we are using circle command. So use C for circle, radius will be 4, enter. Select this circle, CO for copy, click on a specific point and right side it will be 16, press enter. Use line command from this coordinate point to this point, also this point to this point. Use TR, enter, T for cutting edge, select this line to this line, press enter, trim this one. Select all your cutout, J for join. Select this one using M for move from this point to this point. Again select this one using M for move from this point to this end point. Select this cutout using M for move. Right side it will be 9 and upside it will be 8. Using M for move, P for previous selection, enter. Upside it will be 8. Press enter. Now create one more cutout. C for circle. Click on specific point. D for diameter 9.5. Press enter. Select this circle using CO for copy command. Right side it will be 16. Press enter. L for line. Select this line to this line. Again this coordinate point to this coordinate point. TR, enter. T for cutting edge. Select these two lines. Press enter and trim inner part of this cutout. Select this all the cutout using J for join. Select this part using M for move and click on geometric center to this point. Select this cutout using RO for rotate. Click on this coordinate point and rotation will be -14. Press enter. Okay. Now almost our drawing will be completed. So select all your drawing except the center line. Go to properties and check line thickness properties. Check line thickness as a 0.30. Go to annotation. Click on this center mark. Click on this point to this point and also this point and this point as you want. Using MA for match, select this one to select this center mark. Now step 5. Applying the dimension. As you know how you apply dimension from this drawing. Using DLI for dimension linear command from this point to this point. As same as from this point to this point. For radius, DRA for dimension radius command. For diameter, DDI diameter. If you want to add linear command, so just from here to this point. Use DCO for dimension continuous from here to here. Use DRA for dimension radius from here to here. Also for this one. After applying, your drawing looks like that. So step 6. Final touch. Double check the drawing against the reference image. Check each and every dimension very carefully. Save the file using Ctrl S and export as a PDF. So finally zoom out and admire your work. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like and subscribe to support our YouTube channel. And also consider to join our channel for exclusive AutoCAD content. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Tata, bye bye, take care. So don't forget to download the PDF link in the description box. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Keep learning, keep growing.